Hello mga kaibigan, welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebak-lebak na tao with evidence. Nako, ito na, namimiligro na si BBM. Nakitaan na ng Korte Suprema ang kanyang ginawang pag-transfer ng pera ng PhilHealth sa National Treasury. Korte Suprema, may ultimatum na kay BBM. Inutusan na ibalik ang pera ng PhilHealth. Nako mga kabibig, kanina sa hearing, oo, parang nauutal ang representative ng PhilHealth at marami mga pasabog mga kabibig ang nabulgar. In fairness kung i-compare natin ang hearing sa Korte Suprema at saka sa Quadcom at Tricom, mas magaan at the same time ramdam mo ang respeto ng mga judges, ng mga lawyer, ng mga attorney sa Korte Suprema kumpara sa Tricom. In fairness, hindi nagko-contempt ang mga lawyer na ito, mga judge na ito. Pero sa Tricom, Quadcom, sa Quadcom pa, mahilig magpa-contempt. Tapos sisigawan ka pa ng, sagutin mo na ako na yes or no. Pero sa Korte Suprema, as in, binigyan ng laya at na-appreciate ng mga judge, ang mga resource person. Nako, heto kabibig ha. BBM, delikado ka talaga doon. Nako, inutusan na ang presidente ng Pilipinas na ibalik ang pera ng taong bayan. Eto kabibig ha. Makinig tayo ha. Supreme Court, pinapabalik na ang pera ng PhilHealth. Maraming salamat Supreme Court Honorable Antonio Tico Jr. Makinig tayo kabibig ha. Makinig tayo dito. At pakinggan mo talaga kung ano ang laman ng kayong statement. Ito na.
PhilHealth can already request the President to return the money, the 60 billion that were transmitted to PhilHealth, to the government for UNCRO program funds. Ibalik na yan sa PhilHealth, and PhilHealth to expand its benefits, hire more people to answer for the needs of the health of our people. That will be all. PhilHealth can already request the President to return the money, the 60 billion that were transmitted to PhilHealth, to the government for UNCRO program funds. Ibalik na yan sa PhilHealth, and PhilHealth to expand its benefits, hire more people to answer for the needs of the health of our people. That will be all.
Sino kabibig? Mabait pa ang Korte Suprema nag-request mga kabibig. Paano ba yan? Si BBM makikinig kaya sa request ng Korte Suprema? Di ba? Eto kabibig, makinig tayo ha. Makinig tayo. Associate Justice Antonio Tico Jr. precisely that PhilHealth increased its benefits because of public criticisms. Without public backlash, probably I don't know if PhilHealth will increase its benefits. So, ito kabibig, pakinggan natin. Ang mga judge ba, ang mga lawyer na ito, talagang straight to the point. It's for the common people ang ginagawa nila. Associate Justice to.
The order or the instruction to return the 89.9 billion, we have seen last year that PhilHealth has significantly accelerated the pace of benefit expansion, and they will continue to provide more benefits this year. So the issue in terms of the expansion of benefits is steadily being addressed.
Precisely that PhilHealth increases benefits because of public criticism arising from this, trying to get the 89.9 billion. They are now probably justifying, we can do this. In fact, we're increasing the amount. But without public backlash, probably, I don't know if PhilHealth will increase its benefits.
That may be so, Your Honor, but all the same, I think for the Department of Finance, for the economic managers, what matters to us is the expansion of benefits. If there must be a stick that must be presented together with the carrot, then we shall, I think we are happy if we see more benefits for the Filipino people.
Okay.
Dapat lang. Di ba? Dapat lang more benefits for Filipino people. Kung hindi pa ang mga tao ay nagsalita tungkol sa PhilHealth na ito, tungkol sa paglustay ng pera ng PhilHealth, ginamit kasi ito eh. Ginamit talaga. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi ginamit. Ito pa mga kabibig. Para magmukha tayong, ano tawag dito ba, may alam sa nangyayari sa PhilHealth ngayon. Dapat talaga may alam ang Pilipino. Kasi tayo ang nag-ingay. Tayo ang
So,
nagtanong.
would you agree that political negotiation is a principal
Political
factor in
negotiation.
determining the amount of reserve funds to be fixed by the PhilHealth Board?
Your Honor, in the coming up of the approved JAA for PhilHealth, PhilHealth submitted the proposal, and based on the evaluation of DBM,
You know,
it will be incorporated in the NEP, Your
Yes.
Honor. And during the time that it will be deliberated in the Congress, Your Honor, that's the time that on the part of, as mentioned by GCC, Your Honor, political negotiations come in. It is either retained based on the NEP or it will be increased, Your Honor, depending on the appreciation of the Congress as well, Your Honor.
all right. So does it mean that you still negotiate the transmittal of the appropriations fixed by law under Section 37?
Your Honor, we have Section 37, Your Honor, but of course, in the final J, Your Honor, it is negotiation, Your Honor, PhilHealth, Department of Health, and the Congress, Your Honor, on
You have
what
to negotiate it, notwithstanding the clear command of Section 37, that the appropriation shall come from these funds, from these sources. You have to negotiate.
Your Honor, negotiation in the sense that, of course, the Congress asking PhilHealth on its utilization of the previous and the implementation of the program as well, Your Honor. And it is our on the side of PhilHealth, Your Honor, we depend
Kinabahan. Kinabahan ang PhilHealth, tawag dito, na tagapagsalita ng PhilHealth. Talagang kinakabahan siya.
the proposal of the corporation, Your Honor, of course, and that it will be retained based on the NEP or it will be increased, Your Honor.
So the percentages are negotiated, even though they are fixed by law, like 50% from PCSO,
Your Honor,
80% from Syntax. Do you still negotiate, or it should be automatic?
Your Honor, depending on the amount that will be computed by Department of Finance, Your Honor, on the percentages.
You know, the amount is a mere arithmetical computation. We go by the percentages fixed by law.
Tama.
Yes, Your Honor.
So despite the percentages fixed by law, you know, the actual amount is just a computation. So does it mean that Congress is not following
Hala.
the percentages prescribed by law?
Hala.
Your Honor, in the past years, Your Honor, based on the NEP, it is carried, Your Honor, in the General Appropriations Act.
You know, my question is very clear.
Yes.
I'm talking about the percentages
Naku.
fixed by law under Section 37. My impression from your statement is that despite the percentages already fixed by law, the Congress, you still need to negotiate with Congress
Nagdo.
for the actual percentages that may be included in the GAA for the subsidy of PhilHealth. Is that the reality on the ground?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
We tried
Wala.
to defend the
Yes.
proposal of the corporation,
All
Your Honor.
right.
Naku, buko na. Nabuko ang Congress. Nabuko sila lahat. Naku, paano na yan? Bukong-buko na, ayan na Congress. Political negotiations. Associate Justice Ami Lazaro Javier, does it mean that Congress is not following the percentages prescribed by the law? Ayon kay PhilHealth Senior Vice President Renato Lim Siaco Jr., Your Honor, in the past years, based on NEP, it is carried in the GAA. Still need to negotiate with Congress, even if the law has already prescribed the percentages. Nako, mga kabibig. Yun na nga ang sinasabi nila. Yun ang problema ngayon. Diba? Ay, nako. So, yun na kabibig ang mga nangyayari ngayon. Nagbukong-buko na ang mga galawan ng mga kongresista ngayon. Kung ano man ito. Tapos, ako, inutusan na ng Korte Suprema si BBM na ibalik na ang pera. Ito, sabi ni Supreme Court Honorable Antonio T. Co. Jr., ibalik mo na, Presidente, ang pera ng PhilHealth, pera ng taong bayan niya. Ano kayang reaction ni BBM dyan? Makakarating kaya ito ng BBM? Nakakabahan na si BBM niyan. Diba? Si BBM, may remember. Kasi sa isang cabinet meeting, inutusan yung presidente at CEO ng PhilHealth na ni BBM. Diba? Na i-transfer yung 89 billion. Naku po. For under the program appropriations. So ano ang yung comment tungkol sa mga kabibig niya? Naglaglagan, nalalaman talaga. Hindi ka talaga makapagsinungaling sa Korte Suprema. No? Hindi ka talaga. Kalma lang sila mag-usap, kalma lang magsalita. Pero makukuha nila ang sagot, ang mga tinatagong sikreto. Yun lang kabibig ang ating latest libag-libag for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.